Good morning students, welcome to the online classes conducted by St. James School and College. So this class for class 7 English literature class. Again this video is for class chapter 7 and extraordinary man. So I hope you in previous video you got the question answers in briefly and detail. So this is the next video of that chapter. Here I have two questions on page number 19, question number 7 and question number 8. So question number 7 is describe Abdul Kalam's visions for India. This is the second video for chapter 4. So in previous video आपके जो डिटेल वाले questions हुए थे उसी के आगे ये करना है. So this is the next question. Question number 7. Describe Abdul Kalam's vision for India. In his autobiography, Wings of Fire, he writes his vision that freedom is very important. If we are not free, no one will respect us. We want to see India as a developed country which must be strong as a military power and also an economic power. Question number 8 is what is his advice to young people? He advises the young people of India to dream. So this is all question number 7 and 8. You have to complete it in your copy. Now this is the book exercise of this chapter. First is vocabulary section on page number 19. Section A. Replace the following groups of words with a single word. Choose the word from the box. Notice that all the words in his list have served as a prefix. What is prefix? किसी word के पहले कोई word add करके next word बनाना, that is prefix. So on page number 19 vocabulary में जो first section है इसमें आपको कुछ sentences दिए गए. उन sentence को one word से replace करना है जो कि already boxes में given है, but उसमें prefix self add करना है. So first is to be confident, self-assured, to give up something for someone else, self-sacrifice. Third is to think of oneself, self-interest, by one's own effort, self-made. Fifth is to be independent, self-reliant. Sixth is respond to an attempt to protect oneself, self-defense. To be unduly aware of oneself, self-conscious. To maintain one's dignity, it's self-respect. So this is your book exercise of vocabulary section which is you have in page number 19. Next is on page number 20. Write 5 words that have self as a suffix. यहाँ पे आपको prefix बनाना था, self add करके prefix, that means word के पहले. यहाँ पे आपको suffix बनाना है मतलब word के बाद में. So him plus self, it's himself. तो 5 suffix बनाने हैं जहाँ पे one दिया हुआ है herself. Next is himself, yourself, itself and myself. Next, in this page number 20, language section, fill in the blanks choosing the adverb given in bracket. यहाँ पे कुछ sentence दिए गए हैं, वहाँ पे आपको bracket में adverb दिया गया है. What is adverb? Adverb add meaning to the word. Verb is an action word. तो किसी भी action word में इसका कुछ meaning add करके adverb बनाया जाता है. किसी भी adjective में या फिर किसी भी adverb में, किसी दूसरे adverb में भी कुछ meaning add करके इसका भी adverb बनाया जाता है. So यहाँ पे softly. Fourth is Mohan met Rohit. Your hint is where? Today they are ready. Mohan met Rohit there. Fifth is Preeti has mistaken. Your hint is how much? Completely, sweetly, already. Preeti was mistaken completely. This is the right adverb for this sentence. So next is